Tecno Spark 40 Pro features a stunning AMOLED display with a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and crispy details. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate 6nm processor and running Android 15, it ensures fast, responsive performance for everyday use. Its 50 megapixel main camera captures sharp detailed shots, while the IP64 ratings offer solid protection against dust and splashes. A robust 5200 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging keeps you going longer and powers up quickly. For security, the under-display optical fingerprint sensor provides quick and effortless access. Thanks for watching.